joining this video. In this video, I will cover how to convert JSON to CSV file. We have an input file JSON and we want this output CSV file. So first we have this piece of code where the program execution will start from line number 29, and here we are calling main function, and in the main function definition we have two variables. First one is a JSON underscore file which has input.json file we can assign, and then second one is a CSV underscore file variable which has output CSV file. Okay, so in the beginning we define JSON and CSV modules, and in this JSON to CSV function we have a definition and these two arguments, which is a JSON file and then CSV file. First we open the JSON file in the read mode. Basically we want to load this JSON file as a read-only mode by using JSON.load function, and here we have passed on that file, and that output will be stored in the data variable. Basically now this will contain list of dictionaries, because this JSON module dot load function, what it will do, it will convert file into the file values or content into a list of dictionaries. If you print this data variable, then you can see the output. It's just a list of dictionaries. Okay, and as we know that in the CSV file we have this header. So how we can generate this header? So what we will do, we will pick the first element of the list, like this one which I highlighted. So then I use key function. So basically I'm looking a 0 element from the list, and then I want to print only the keys. So now what are the keys? Name and age. Let me print. It will print that keys of the dictionaries, right? Whether I can change to some other element of the list, value will remain same, because that keys are same everywhere, right? Name and age. Okay, now what we want to write on the CSV file by using write mode, and here I'm using new line is equal to then single quotes, and there is a blank, nothing is there. That means empty string. This I used to avoid an extra blank lines, so I don't want that. In that case, for precaution I'm using. Now I have created instance of a CSV.dict_writer class, which require that CSV file and then field names. I have assigned header value. This is the value of header variable which I assigned to it. Basically I assigned that header. Based on that, all the action will be taken by these two function which I am calling from the writer instance. So first I'm using write headers. Okay, so what it will do, it will write this name and age in the output.csv file. That is his job, based on the header which I have defined, which I have mentioned here, right? So next one, when I call this function write rows, and I'm passing on this list of dictionary, because data variable contain list of dictionaries, right? So based on the headers we will get the data, and data is Ram, and his age is 45, so all that is data. So like that we will get the data. Okay, let me clear this file and run the program again. Same output generated. Suppose I will create one more element. Let me define some more element, like roll number I can define. So let me update same thing above and below. So now when I will run the program, you will see one more column appended here, and you can see that keys will also increase. So here, I think, yeah, okay. So you can see that all the keys also, we can see name, age and role and its value. Like that, you can use this program according to your choice. You can modify the way you like. Convert JSON to CSV. Thanks.